Hi guys, February 13th, 2020. The kids are off for the winter break. Wife's someplace in Krakow at the World of Hans Zimmer show. So what to do such a beautiful evening? Let's do some manly stuff and assemble our metal detector. Remember the kit I got not long ago from AliExpress? Well, today is a perfect evening to get it assembled. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with any assembly instruction, although the board has all the elements printed here, so it shouldn't be a problem. The only problem could be the resistors. If you haven't ever soldered anything, you probably don't know that resistors don't have a numerical value printed on them, but these special color-coded bars based on which you can determine their resistance. But since there are only 3 pieces, and I'll show you exactly which is which, you also shouldn't have a problem with those. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so here's the content of our kit. Maybe I'll zoom this a bit for you. As you can see, all the elements are nicely marked on the board. So to start off with, you got these capacitors marked 222 and 104. So C1 and C4 are 104, and C2 and C3 are 222. Then we have one electrolytic capacitor, and this is one right here, C5. But as you can notice, it has a polarity. The plus is marked on the board. On the other hand, on the capacitor, we have a negative terminal. This is the shorter leg, so you got to make sure you place it correctly in the board. Another element with polarity is the buzzer. And as you can see, there's a label on it with a plus on top. So you place it exactly like so on the board. Then the LED, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but the LED has one of the edges ground, just like marked on the board here. It's not that clear, but you also have to get the polarity right. The potentiometer is not a problem because you cannot place it onto the board in any other way. We've got 2 types of transistors, 2 pieces of 9012 and 1 piece of can you see that? 9018. And these are here. Q1 is 9018, Q2 and Q3 are 9012. Then we have a power terminal, switch, and that's pretty much it, except for now we've got the capacitors. So 470 ohms is this one with yellow, violet, brown. Then we have 2 kilo ohms, red, black, red, and 200 kilo ohms, red, black, yellow. There's also this gold marking in the end, but that is just the precision tolerance of a particular element. So this is pretty much it, and we can get on with the soldering. Looking for a battery took longer than the actual soldering, but I found one of those 18650 batteries from an old power bank, so it looks as it looks. Had to tape off the cables. Could have used a laboratory power supply, but that voltage is not necessarily all smooth. Could go in some interference with this coil. So let's see how the battery works. So as you can see, the buzzer is quite loud, so I guess you need to trim it down with this potentiometer here. So we just leave it at the borderline region where it just stops buzzing, and I guess when you get some metal object near the coils, it should start buzzing. So if you'd like a metal detector like this, of course, you'll find the link below. Something like $2, so really inexpensive and quite a fun project. As you can see, it works perfectly. So be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon.